I've got some parts here that I want to install. I got these headlights from a company that are LED color changing headlights, so I'm pretty excited about that. This video is in no way sponsored by that company, but I thought it'd be fun to do sort of an install and review them and see how they work. So yeah, let's get into it. That took me 5 minutes, maybe. Super easy to install. I gotta give some credit to Boslla for their bulbs here. These are super nice. If you can afford to get yourself a set of these, I would highly recommend it. That was probably the easiest install I've ever done. This took me literally 5 minutes. They've got all the instructions here. Super simple. If you've been wanting to do an LED conversion in your car, this is definitely worth the money. I mean, super easy. And they look great. Obviously, these are just the low beams. I didn't get the high beams. I don't really see any need for the high beams since this is going to be a drift car anyways. The high beams on the car still work. The bulbs are still good. If I happen to find myself driving at night and need them, I have them. I really wanted something that's going to look cool, hence the color changing effects that these bulbs come with. So we've got the super bright white, the like daylight, and then the yellow, and then there's like a yellow flashing mode, which is kind of fun too. So I think it'll be fun to have these in the car for drift events and whatever, and plus they just look better. They look super bright too, so I'm excited to see how they do at night. Obviously I don't drive the car very often, but in the events that I do, now I have something that will look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll the car out, and I've got a couple other things I want to do to it. But if you're just here for the install, great. Nice to meet you. Hopefully you stick around, and if not, it's been a pleasure. guys enjoy. That's going to do it for this episode. The car ran great all the way to the gas station and back. There is a slight fuel leak underneath. As you can see, there's definitely some fuel coming out from underneath the car. I'm not exactly sure what's causing that, but probably just a hose clamp or something. So we'll get up in there and fix that. And then the other thing is the car ran or drove very poorly. Handling feels all out of whack. So we'll need to get up in there and check the alignment and check the suspension and see if everything's connected, because there was definitely a bit of clunking. So hopefully we can get that sorted out in the next video. Also, I'm definitely super happy with the headlights. They work great. You can see super well at night. And then the 3 different color settings don't really seem to affect the brightness at all. So I was pretty happy with that. The yellow still seems very bright compared to the bright white. So it's not like you're sacrificing color or lightness just because of the color, which is really awesome. So plenty of bright. I hope you guys can see that on the camera. And if not, you'll just have to take my word for it. So if you want to get yourself a pair, I did reach out to the company and said, hey, I really like this product. Is there any way you could get me a discount code for future people? And sure enough, they hooked it up. So check down below in the description for the link to their website and a discount code as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Tune in next time when we'll probably be doing suspension, or maybe doing that engine swap if I get all the gaskets. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the junkyard.